Welcome everyone, Alien Crypto here, and today we will look for ways to maximize your Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings by swapping with altcoins. In this episode, I will look at Bitcoin pairs weekly charts and my Coinbase very quickly and find out if we can mitigate Bitcoin's dumpage by either leaving it alone, probably go back to fiat, I mean selling it, or swapping it with a strong alt. Now let's begin. So, what do we have first? Well, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And this is my price prediction for Bitcoin. And what's happening is somehow, nope, that's not the chart that I wanted to show you guys. Is this it? Well, simply put, one of the chart, if I can find it. Oh, where the heck is it? There you go. Okay. So it's kind of messy, but the point I'm making here is we are at a very strong support right now. This line here, okay, this box, rectangle box here, has been a target for me since we reached all-time high. Okay, I made a Fibonacci here and showed that okay, this 618 is going to be a very strong support. We might be revisiting that because at at the end of the day, guys, remember we were so far from the EMA, okay, 20, and I think we're now revisiting the 50. So for me, two things could happen. If we can hold the support, then an uptrend is likely going to happen. If we don't, then we may still be experiencing this with these key levels. Okay. Now, I'm only studying this based on my own research, my own analysis, but I also look for other clues, look for other indicators, and also watch other YouTube channels because they're experts. I'm just new. I'm just doing this for my own benefit, but at the same time, I want to contribute back. So this is Bitcoin, and today is the day when we find out whether we're going to dump further, right, to this $32,000, $35,000, or are we're gonna stay within this boundary here? Okay. Now let's look out for our Bitcoin pairs. Okay. Okay. So now let's just go through this very quickly because I know you have little time. Okay. Algo, Algo BTC. In my opinion, if you're holding Algo, you're still in a good spot, right? Against Bitcoin. Algo, in my opinion, in the next few days will go somewhere higher in this greener region here, I hope. Now, does that mean it's going to happen that way? I don't know. It may go down, but the 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 return on investment on algo, if it goes up, it's much higher than, of course, Bitcoin because of the low cap. Okay. uh Quickly, Filecoin. Okay, Filecoin for me is now on an upward trajectory with bit to Bitcoin. As long as it holds, then we're still good. Upside is again much higher than Bitcoin percentage wise. Okay, for this, we're still in this channel. Okay, we're pretty safe. So if you guys are holding rep or anger, whatever, this is still a good hold. If we break down here, then I suggest swap back to your Bitcoin. Okay, EOS. All right. Okay, if you're holding EOS, this might be a good time to actually think of loading up more. Okay, it's still in the upward direction, low RSI, so I think we're still good here. Okay, Zcash. Okay, Zcash. has broken this trend line here. Well, it's not exact. Maybe we're still good. Yep, it's kind of holding up if I adjust it that way. But anything lower here, anything lower that 002319, it's just gonna go down. So be careful. Okay, NMR. All right. So been looking at this. So it's now, let me clean up this chart. Let me hide it for now. So this has been bouncing in this area, right? It's just floating within the EMA 20. This is a displaced EMA, by the way. It rather helps me much better than just simple moving average. But this shows me it's just ranging, right? It's just ranging, and it's actually a good time to just watch this because at any given point, we all know that this might just go bonkers like that. Okay, I don't know when, but watch out for it. Okay, BTC. What's happening here? Well, clearly it's an on uptrend. Are we still good? It actually broke the resistance. No, sorry, the support. This triangle here that drew there a couple of days ago. So it went. So it's probably gonna revisit the EMA close. So I'm gonna stay out of it until I see confirmation where it's really going. But it seems that it's going down. Okay, against Bitcoin. All right. Maker. Okay. Um, this has broken out of that triangle, um, but it seems that this area here resists the support. This is becoming a strong support, right? Yep. So if it holds, we're fine. Now, I'm not trading this because the upside. Well, look at that, all-time high maker from this point. If you do swap it and it goes up, it performs well, then it's an upside to all-time highs, 82%. So, guys, think about that opportunity. So watch out, right? Watch out. Okay, there's a good upside there. Of course, Ethereum. Okay, we're still in this channel here. Um, why am I using this channel? Because for me, I'm not a day trader. I look at things from a couple of days, at least 3 to 5 to 1 week, and make my decisions based on that. So for me, I hold both. Um, I should have swapped some back to Bitcoin here, but you know what? We'll just wait. I am not expecting it to go down to this level. I'm expecting this now to kind of taper off and then shoot up. So we'll find out. But if it does reach this level again around what's this 02923, then I'm gonna load up more. Okay. XLM. What is happening with XLM? Okay. XLM has just been ranging here. Sorry about that. XLM is just ranging here. It will probably um, this triangle is forming. Okay, this ascending triangle. If you can see it here. Okay, so if it just ranges up, then actually this is a good time to buy or load up, right? If you are a holder of XLM, then yeah, you're still good. If it goes down again to this level, or if you have a stop loss here, then you're gonna switch it back to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pumps, you're not gonna be left alone, right? So, okay, OMG, can you move here, little alien? OMG, okay, I I don't know, guys. This probably is the lowest in There's an 85% upside, so make your decision. I personally don't hold OMG. Okay, this I hold, and I think this is one of the better opportunities. This is a big cup and handle here. If you really notice this, this daily chart shows something interesting. Where is that? Okay, so boom, boom, right? That may happen. We'll never know, but it looks like it. So, what do you guys do? I personally hold this. I'm gonna continue um, DCAing over it. Or no, so many techniques out there. I'm not telling you what to do. This is not financial advice. This is just me playing around with charts. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy, telling you to buy or sell. I'm just saying, hmm, maybe a good opportunity. So this one's high, a very high upside, 61%, I think. So I think this is the lowest it can go. Let me change my color here. Okay, let's be fast, guys. Let's be fast. Link. Okay, link. So what did I do here? Okay, this is still um, a good opportunity to buy link if you want to load up. I personally will keeping my Bitcoin than link, but who knows? I mean, the percentages, right? The upside. Um, if it's more than 30% long term, crypto dump complete. Yeah, I know. It this is just gonna go up. Forfly is one of my favorite channels. I watch him all the time. The thing is with these channels, they're selling you stuff. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just here to learn with you. I don't want to like yeah, YouTube will reward you, but guys, keep your money, right? Don't give to these YouTubers. They're already earning money more than you do, right? More than me. I mean, I'm just a small investor. They have millions in trade. I got what, 100, only 100 every time I trade. I can't put everything here. I mean, well, I'm almost 90% in crypto, right? So but again, guys, this is up to you, up to us. Let's earn first, right? Let's learn and then let's contribute later. Okay, how can you help others if you can't help yourself, right? Okay, so what did I do here for balancer? Okay, this is still in an upward trend. Okay, this is an upward trend. I broke this parallel channel that I drew back then. I try to do a pitchfork here and see where it's going in the short term and then more long term. So short term, it may go down. See, and then upside is 48, 46, depending where you buy it and then where you plan to sell it all time high. But balancer, I think if you're holding it, then you'll be rewarded too. Okay, okay, all the alts seems to be, you know, heading upward now. Well, not all, but most are in that upward trend now. And at any given time, these guys might explode. So if we redraw this a bit, kind of fix it a little here, as you can see, there's a triangle forming. So I like this coin. This is so volatile, and it has such a huge potential against Bitcoin. See that? Man, so um I think this is only in Coinbase. But anyways, I'm not really sure, but watch out for this. This might go like here, right? Which is a 60% upside. Now, guys, you got to take profits. You got to take profits cuz altcoins are crazy. You can't just keep it there. Okay, but for me, since this is an upward trend, might be good now, comped. Okay, so what happened here? So I remember this when I drew this going up, going down, and it went down. So until it goes back in this channel, I'm not gonna touch compound. Okay, I'm not going to touch compound. Although it is in an uptrend, this is a very strong area, which it failed well, it went down, tried it, failed, right? It will it go down? RSI is good. So based on those two things, okay, crypto cap. Oh, okay, Dan, my favorite, another favorite channel. All right. So, should you trade right now? It might be a good opportunity, but it's still high risk. Um, I would I would rather put money on cheaper altcoins. Okay, comp is kind of expensive right now. Well, you know what I mean. So under 100, for me, swapping Bitcoin to really maximize your gain is go to lower cap coins. Again, that's very risky, but it's up to you. So, okay, what happened to synthetics? Synthetics, okay, guys, I know there's a lot of hype here in the past, but I honestly think this has one of the biggest potentials uh, for me at least. Still under what, $19, I think $20 right now. So it's a really good buying opportunity. If this channel holds, which I think it's holding, this is where we you buy, you load this because your money, right, has a 67% upside against Bitcoin. Okay, all right. The graph. Okay, this is really retracing. I'm holding this, but I'm not gonna load up. Okay, I'm not gonna load up. Ave. All right, Ave. Okay, so uh, this is not right. Okay, let me hide that. Okay, I've been following Ave. I like Ave. I like this project. So what's gonna happen? It now broke above. Okay, well, it's breaking above this is this downward channel that I drew. Okay, it's now up. So guys, if you're holding, yeah, this could be a good opportunity to load up. For me, I'm using this just to maximize my Bitcoin. So I'm at a loss because I bought it here when it broke out. See, so I'm still behind. But once this goes over, yes, I'll probably buy more, and I'll have a sell right here on this area. The getting more Bitcoin. Okay, banned. All right. Okay, banned. There's this wedge here forming. If you can see that, let me hide this pitchfork. This pitchfork pretty much is just my guide, but I do think, you see this. Um, this did pan out well, but it's clearly trying to get above. Okay, this line here. So this support turned, well, this support is now resistance. Okay, and it's this channel, this box here, this rectangle is very strong support, as you can see. Now it's this is a bullish candle, becoming a bullish candle, I hope, or it may become a doji later. We'll see. But band, once it gets back to this channel, then I think it's a good opportunity. Okay, Ren. Okay, I've been following Ren. Bought here, bought here, so I'm back at this level. So I didn't sell because I know long term Ren will outperform Bitcoin if we follow and we don't break this channel. I hope we don't break this channel. I have Ren, I'm holding on to this, maybe loading up as well. Okay, Ren, okay, Tezos, okay, Tezos. Um, Against Bitcoin, man, it's holding up. It bounced back. So the channel's alive, guys. The channel's alive with potential downside going testing it again. But man, I think Tezos is looking good. It's still trending up. It didn't break down. So against BTC again, guys, against BTC. Is your money better in BTC or some else? We're finding out. Okay, this one it broke the channel, the upward channel previously. Is it done? Is it really done? Man, there's really confluence here. Look at that. Let me see if we do this simple. mm, Um, Guys, I'm kind of doing this unconventionally here. Oh, look at that. Look at the symmetry there. See? Look at the symmetry. But it's still below it. Okay? Um, it may be just a wick, but there's indecision in this doji. See? There's indecision. Okay? Are we still good? Maybe. Yeah, we still probably are. Maybe this is a good time to buy. But I'm not personally, um, I don't personally trade this. Um, UMA, okay. UMA, man, this is gonna explode pretty soon, in my opinion. This is gonna explode pretty soon. The upside is, look at that. If you held your Bitcoin, if you got into UMA here, right, and 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 swap it back to Bitcoin around here, right, not the top, somewhere here, that's a freaking 200% of your Bitcoin. Okay, so your $100 worth of Bitcoin that moved to UMA would be now 200, right? Or no, 400. No, 200 is for, yeah, 200% is quadruple or three times. Man, my math sucks. Anyways, Ethereum, but that's not important right now. Okay, Ethereum, I'm gonna skip Ethereum and then Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap is on a tear, as you can see, right? The daily chart won't lie, and it has been like so many dojis here. Now it's going down. Okay, it broke this support level here, this imaginary support that I have. It's going to always revisit back to the EMA as it did here. So I think this is healthy. Uniswap, it's kind of like your hedge. See, the market goes up down. This is pretty stable. It just bounces here and there. As long as it doesn't break this trend line here, you're pretty safe. I mean, you're still getting the most out of your BTC if you have that a portion of it in Bitcoin, in Uniswap. Okay, so these are the algo pair. These are the Bitcoin pairs that I'm watching, looking for opportunities. Oh, LRC, loop ring. Yeah, I am personally watching out for this. I forgot. So this is clearly an upward trend. This, okay, we're probably just going to revisit this small triangle here. But yeah, this is a 98% upside, guys. Again, I'm not suggesting you put your Bitcoin and convert that to Loopring or any other altcoins. I'm just saying that there are opportunities to maximize your Bitcoin. When the opportunity arises, you buy, you swap it out with an alt that you feel that, well, number one, you have to believe in that alt, and then you also believe that it's gonna pump pretty soon. So then, if Bitcoin goes up, leaving this altcoin, you have a stop loss, so you put your money back in Bitcoin and it pumps, right? So I'm really skipping fiat here. So anyways, guys, please subscribe and like my channel. I'm not gonna ask you to be a member of anything. I'm just here to share my thoughts, and this is not financial advice. Again, I have to remind you of that. Just enjoy the power and the volatility of crypto. Try to maximize your profit, minimize your loss. But really, if you're holding long term, there's no such thing as a loss, right? But if you're day trading, you're scalping, yes. But put things in perspective, I'm here for the long term. I'm just maximizing my returns by swapping to altcoins when the time is right. Okay, when the time is right. So, anyways, thank you guys. Take care. God bless and be safe. All right. Bye bye.